Honestly, that other one looks like it's getting ready to attack.
Like there's something in the floor, huh?
Oh, he does have something in his hands. Or whatever you call them, claw thingies. Oh, I'm all looking at the thing, not even looking at my phone. This guy, so he doesn't eat that shit in front of both of them. Not even offer them and shit. What the? Y'all supposed to stick together. Bird, 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 the birdie do what you do, the bird, 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 the birdie do what. Whistle. Bro, did that just start fucking talking? It's the Three Stooges. Whoa, what the fuck was that? Later, hey. Oh, he did.